How to change location on Roblox. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no way for you right now to change location on Roblox app. That's why we will be using an alternative method. So go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, search for Roblox support, then click on the first result. And once you are here, essentially what we will be trying to do is we will reach out to the Roblox support team and ask them to change our location. And as you can see on this page right here, you will see that there are two sections. The first one is the contact information section, in which you will be entering your username and first name optionally. I recommend you to do that. And the second step is to enter your email address and confirm it. Once you are done with this section, you need to scroll down to the issue details, which is the second section. And here you will see that the first drop down, it asks you to choose a uh, device. So go ahead and choose whichever device you are using Roblox on. And the second drop down is to choose the type of help category. And here click on how to, and as soon as you do that, you will see that there's a second drop down that just appears. So select any one of those options. And the last step is to describe the issue. So here you will need to explain to the Roblox support team that you want to change your location, and as well give them reasons as to why you want to do that, to each person his own reasons. And make sure to explain it well, and as soon as you're done, click on submit to send your feedback, and after a while, maybe a few business days, they will get back to you to resolve your problem. It's the easiest way to do so and the only way, unfortunately, as of right now. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your location on Roblox. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.